November the 1st, and still without a Premier League
praised with that.
Well, they're going forward now, looking for, always looking to go forward here. Bellegarde with the effort. This is Tete. Oh, this
Nice
is
piece of
great
skill,
cheek.
actually.
Strand Larsen goes into the penalty area, waiting the cross for Wolverhampton Wanderers. Leno gets a good punch on it. Wednesday's the long throw. Wilson with an opportunity to get that. Chance for 1-0.
And once he does that, he can't do too much damage. He's 50 yards from Sam Johnson.
Bueno is available. Thought about delivering it first time, but eventually puts it in. Bueno.
Oh, that's overhit. Oh, that's a good chance.
With the touch in towards Strand Larsen. That was the intention anyway. Bellegarde. Said it goes to Wilson, who's going to strike this first time. This is really good run at the moment, but it's an opportunity for him. Totti Gomez puts it in. Mumesi it was with it. And Wilson will tee it up on that left foot and blocks immediately. Here they come looking for this second goal. Totti Gomez. Might come for a Wobie again. And a lovely play again from the Brazilian. Fires it towards the near post. In the Wobie, he had a player doing so well there. Wolves go forward with an opportunity here, and who finds Wilson. Again, tries to get it onto that left foot. You know what's coming. Hugo Bueno.
Great ball. What a cross that was.
Running at Tete. Trying to get around him. Uwe Bellegarde. Looking for Strand Larsen. Wilson puts it in. He's overcooked that one. Patient stuff from Fulham. Tete. Wilson calling for it near post, and here is the Norwegian. Pulls it back. Well, it was well-intentioned. Iwobi. Found by Kevin. Fulham corner, and easy for Sam Johnson. Centre-half in recent times. Runetzi with the header. And they want a handball there. Hoover is there. In it goes, and Hugo Bueno will pick it up. Contact. Totti Gomez with the ball in, and the header is well saved.